Today, we're diving into 20 must-have kitchen gadgets that will save you tons of time. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, these tools are game changers. Stick around till the end because the last gadget will blow your mind. First up, we have the Handheld Milk Frother. If you love starting your day with a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino, this gadget is a must-have. With just a few seconds of whisking, you'll have barista-quality froth right at home. It's perfect for coffee lovers who want to elevate their morning routine without the hassle of a big machine. Plus, it's battery-operated, making it portable and easy to use anywhere. Next, precision meets convenience with the digital kitchen scale. Whether you're measuring dry fruits, spices, or ingredients for your next big meal, accurate measurements are crucial. This scale helps you get it right every time, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly. No more guessing with measurements. Just accurate, reliable results every time. It's especially useful for those on specific diets or those who love baking. Tired of hand-washing glasses? The automatic glass washer is here to save the day. Just press your glass onto the sprayer, and powerful jets of water will clean it thoroughly. It's especially handy for those delicate wine glasses or tricky shapes. Say goodbye to spots and residue. This gadget makes sure your glasses are sparkling clean with minimal effort. It's perfect for parties too. Cleaning up after guests has never been easier. Just a quick press and your glasses are ready for the next round. Opening cans has never been easier with the electric can opener. No more struggling with manual can openers. Just place the can, press the button, and watch it work its magic. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Elevate your seasoning game with the electric salt and pepper grinder. With adjustable settings for coarseness and a simple one-handed operation, you can add the perfect amount of flavor to your dishes with ease. It's a great way to impress your guests with freshly ground spices, adding a gourmet touch to your meals. Meet the Sharpener-style vegetable peeler. This unique tool not only peels your veggies but also curls them into beautiful garnishes. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your meals without any extra effort. Love salads but hate soggy greens? The salad spinner is your new best friend. It quickly and efficiently dries your lettuce, spinach, and other greens, ensuring you get a perfect, crisp salad every time. Plus, it's great for washing and drying herbs and other leafy vegetables. Next up is the garlic press. Forget about the tedious task of mincing garlic by hand. With this gadget, you can easily crush garlic cloves with minimal effort, saving you time and keeping your hands odor-free. Just pop in a clove and press. No more fiddling with knives and cutting boards. It's a small tool with a big impact, making meal prep so much quicker and easier. Straining pasta has never been easier with the silicone pasta strainer. Its flexible design fits any pot size and snaps on securely, making it easy to drain without the risk of burning yourself or losing any pasta. It's also great for straining other foods like vegetables or even rinsing fruits. Next, we have the 3-in-1 Rotary vegetable peeler. This versatile tool can peel, julienne, and slice your veggies with ease. It's compact, efficient, and a must-have for any home cook looking to speed up the prep time. No more switching between different tools. This gadget does it all. It's perfect for making salads, garnishes, or even prepping ingredients for cooking. Love fresh pineapple but hate the hassle of cutting it? The pineapple corer is a game changer. Just twist it into the pineapple, and you'll have perfectly cored and sliced rings in seconds. It's quick, easy, and mess-free. Plus, it's a fun gadget to use, making fruit prep enjoyable. Introducing the automatic pot stirrer. Perfect for those recipes that require constant stirring, this gadget does the work for you, ensuring even cooking and preventing burning. It's a lifesaver for busy cooks who need an extra hand in the kitchen. Just set it and forget it while you focus on other tasks. It's great for sauces, soups, and even risottos. Chopping herbs can be a chore, but not with the herb scissors. With multiple blades, these scissors make quick work of cutting herbs, saving you time and effort while ensuring uniform pieces. They're perfect for garnishing dishes or adding fresh herbs to your recipes. Hydration made easy with the automatic water bottle dispenser. Attach it to your water bottle, press the button, and enjoy a steady flow of water. It's perfect for home, office, or even on the go. Do you know about this dish soap dispenser? This clever gadget combines a soap dispenser with a sponge holder, making dishwashing a breeze. Just press down, and the perfect amount of soap is dispensed onto your sponge, keeping your sink area neat and tidy. It's super convenient and keeps your sink area organized. Now let's talk about the breakfast station. This all-in-one gadget is perfect for those busy mornings. It combines a toaster and griddle into one compact unit. Toast your bread and cook your eggs, all at the same time. It's incredibly convenient and perfect for small kitchens or those who want to streamline their morning routine. Fresh pasta in no time? That's what the electric pasta maker delivers. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and watch as it kneads and extrudes your pasta dough. It's a fantastic way to enjoy homemade pasta without the manual labor. Plus, it's fun to use and impresses guests with fresh, homemade pasta. Tacos are a favorite, but keeping them upright can be a challenge. Enter the taco holder. This simple gadget holds your tacos in place, making assembly and eating a breeze. No more taco spills or mess, just perfectly arranged tacos every time. For a healthier cooking option, the oil spray bottle is a must-have. Instead of pouring oil directly, which can lead to excess and uneven coverage, this gadget allows you to spray a fine, even mist of oil. It's perfect for sauté, grilling, and baking, and it helps you use less oil without sacrificing flavor. Finally, let's take a look at the Electric Wok. Perfect for stir-frying, steaming, and even deep-frying, this versatile appliance brings the power and convenience of a professional kitchen right to your home. With adjustable temperature settings and a non-stick surface, it's designed to make cooking a wide variety of dishes quick and easy. And there you have it. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.